guys. Good morning. It's Sunday morning, and you know what? The clock has gone back. So this morning, I'm gonna make up my bed. Literally, my bed already make up just because I'm alone. I sit in my bed, so yeah, just gonna make it about rough it up a bit and brush my teeth, wash my face, have a cup of coffee as usual, and then eat in the kitchen. Get some more rest, then go church later. Not gonna have a shower before go in the kitchen. So come with me. I'm gonna make up my bed. Anyway, it's been a long time. Still don't have not get back my phone as yet, but I'm gonna go and work with my outfit now. Okay, I'm buy some space. Work with it. Okay, we are gonna work with it. So I'm up. I make up my bed. Over this side. Now really touch, this have to dip on my bed. Use it and scratch my back. And my rag. Standing in my pail. No. So I know that Melissa is coming today. I don't know when Melissa is coming actually. It's my turn. I'm gonna be in a minute. But I've been following the weather news and why like Melissa come with her revenge. But so far it mostly like in at 80. So we don't know what's gonna take place. But the strength rate I come with, in a nice. Melissa remind me Hurricane Gilbert. But I pray it's not like Hurricane Gilbert. Jamaica can't take one more like that again. No way, no sir. Not one more. Jamaica not ready for that yet. But I think it needed though. Too much corruption. Look how foolish I go on, But the church, I believe the church in Jamaica need to come together and pray. Because too much watching the news. And they come from this country, it's just scary. And it's scary bad. You don't even want to go back. But a free country, what can we do? We have to pray for it same way. And pray for the young kids them cause boy. The way Jamaica go. Seem like the kids are not in the future. Seem like the kids are not in the future where Jamaica go. Normal. Okay, when am I gonna read the church? I have a black pants. Take out 2 black pants. No, oh God. No, I'm not dressed today. I feel dressy today. Tired. Don't feel dressy. What's this? It's like a dress up pants. No, not dress up pants either. When you want to come to the old, but in another dress up mood, sometimes I just feel like we just dress down. That's all I feel. Alright, man. Try that black pants there. What's this something? Whew. Dear God. What am I gonna wear? Okay. Kind of white blouse. Yeah, I'm wearing this. On body pants. And I'm gonna wear these leggings. Yeah, I'm gonna wear this black leggings. Yeah. So this is what I'm gonna wear today. Today. So I'm gonna enter the toilet bathroom now. Brush my teeth and wash my face. Okay. So let's go to the bathroom. So guys, I had to do a voice record of this because I had to remove my earpiece. So now I'm gonna brush my teeth, and after brushing my teeth I'm gonna have a shower. Okay, but you will not see me having my shower, but you will definitely see me brush my teeth. So I will use Sonic's Sensitive to have my shower because that's what I use. I do not use sweet soap or nothing that too sweet, or else it will give me trash. Doctor recommend me not to use anything too sweet for years now. I think from 2002 when I come to this country, they stopped me from use anything too sweet because it give me trash. So yeah, I'm gonna brush my teeth and I'm gonna use some facial products on my face as well. You know, so after brushing my teeth, I'm using my mouthwash to wash out my mouth. Okay, don't know. Not only brushing your teeth, you have to wash that afterward with mouthwash. You get that fresh minty feelings there. Right, true. So I'm gonna use a tea tree. So this is a tea tree scrub. And you don't know, from I went to Jamaica in 2002. I have problem with my face. The sun burned me and I have to go to doctor, which I've never ever experienced that before. So anything that I see when it come on to face and remove spots, I'm at it, I'm buying it right through. So using the scrub to scrub my face. So you know, get up in the morning and face get lousy and beating. You have scrub it. And then me and my son, them have context with my thing, them no content competition. With me and my face product, them if you want them, stop use my stuff them. Cause you have one of them in the church in face that call me church my own. So after using the face scrub, me I go use the foam. And then the same tea tree. This give you a nice mood face. After using this, your face feel like baby bottom. Trust me. So I'm going in my two cheekbone, my jaw, all over my face now. You don't know, in between my nose, my eye. It burn your eye, so I have to close my eye. Make sure in between my eye and all those stuff places are washed properly. Okay. After washing that off, I'm gonna use a different product to use. And why I'm gonna use a different product, this product give me a nice minty feelings. It's clean and clear product. It's really good, really good. But I'm gonna put this on my face and leave it for after I have my shower. You don't know. So after I have my shower, I'm gonna wash it off afterward. So I'm applying it on now. This will not go in my eye because it will burn my eye. So you know that mint feeling. Even when you go underneath my eye, you kind of feel that little slight sensation feeling under my eye. This one is good as number 7. I've used it for a while. As I said, I had so many products
So as soon as I use them, I see that and now I'm gonna go road and just buy something else again for my face. 'Cause I don't know. I cherish my face. I'm gonna put it till now. I'm gonna grow no spots in my face. So me know as me reach that age now, me have base spot on my face. No sir. Cause all why I want to go on the road and I wear makeup. Just can't go on the road and look what natural. So I'm gonna have my shower.
Guys, I'm done shower.
Now I have my shower.
God, this is minty on my face.
I'm gonna wash.
Now I'm gonna wash it off.
This is where I have my face. Okay. So now washing out my face, it feels so nice. That minty feeling. Oh my god, it feels so nice. You know when you wash daily and you're feeling skin, smooth. So almost the pop up.
That nice, cool feeling.
Devil is a liar from the pit of time. Right, true.
Right. I take out this earring with my hairs.
I
think it's going back.
Then my ears ring
My hole is getting big.
because I don't know what going on.
My ears hole is getting big in this. So it's kind of going
go
around
through the small, so they go through the whole of the ears ring, of the ears. I don't know why. So I have to remove them. But these are ears ring that way that work. You know you can't wear the two big ears ring that work. Some wear some small ears ring. I don't know how you got it. You have to put yourself together because you're going on public transport and you're going around people as well. I think it's the same with this as well. But I look at makeup sometimes I don't, but
I don't want him to get the whole any bigger, to be honest.
Them and later on
but this is my work earring, so
the whole as well. That's in my ears as well. Definitely.
So this is what I'm gonna put on to go in the kitchen. I'm gonna put on a little vest. Now I might put it on top because it's a bit chilly. And the heater in my house got on. Wait, this way so don't use this. The heater in the house got on at a certain time and off at a certain time. So what can I put on? That'll be your top. I need something to cover one by my back. Let me wear that pink top. I'm going to be in my house and nothing to hype or anything about, so that's fine. And then this little top tights. My hay fever messed up my face over the weekend. My eyes is very tender, my nose, because I got hay fever. To go in the bath and get some salt and soak my body, so I end up it burn around my nose and around my eye. So putting right here and here, it's really tender, really tender. So this is for a day, and this is L'Oreal. Just moisturizing my face a bit. L'Oreal. No, this is midnight serum, so I'm not going to use this. I use that one for the day, one for day, one for night, and this is the midnight serum. So that uses alone for the day, and that's it. I'm trying to lock my hair, guys. I don't know how far it'll take me. I've done this like 3 times already. But I think in me I can't keep one hairstyle too long. So I don't know how far it'll go. So guys, I'm in the kitchen. The sun is out. The sun is mad. So today I'm cooking pork and jerk pork chicken. So jerk chicken already seasoned to the core. Just put it in the oven. And so the pork seasoned already, but I'm gonna put on the ground season on it yet until I'm gonna cook it down. I'm gonna cook the pork, the jerk pork, I'm gonna jerk it, and then I make a sweet and sour sauce. Oh god, I did it last 2 weeks ago. I'm gonna do it again this week because it was crazy. The kids and say, Mom, I like that. So that I'm gonna do. I've never done it before, but I say, babe, so to my husband, you know this I'm gonna do, and I say, babe, anything you try, you know, you always go nice, you know. And I say, oh, this me I gonna do it. I'm putting on my video and we watch it and we do it together. And I tell her so. It was finger licking. I'm gonna like it. So I'm gonna put the jerk chicken now in the oven. I'm gonna fry the pork. I'm now go video throughout because I have enough space, and then I have some clothes that I dry. In the dryer, I'm gonna turn on the dryer as well because you know today is Sunday, I'm going to church, so as time go by. I was gonna do live, but I'm like the live. I go in and out of the kitchen with the knives and everything, so I'm saying no make no sense. So every minute my space I full up on my phone, so I'm gonna just go and video and catch as much because it's annoying. I say that boy who take my phone, I say, God. So I'm gonna put the chicken on the grill. Should go in the oven. So this I'm almost set it. I'm gonna put the file underneath this, and then put the grill on top of this, and then this. And I'm putting in the oven now. So guys, as promised, this is my rice and peas. So I'm just throwing the coconut milk, the thyme, the scallion. And as you don't know, as a boss, I have my coffee. So I have some more scallion there, so I'm gonna straight them off on him. Oh, maybe I'm straight them off, maybe show them, but them kind of look good still, because you know you buy it too much. Yeah. But this are the boss right here, upon the stove here. The pork, I'm putting in the oven as well. Make it go and cook it in the oven. I don't fry it up and then I don't have to do it. Okay, I'm not doing it because I just cook it. Catch me for cover, I just cook it. Put it down, put it in the freezer so it can last the week. The food can last the week. Just 3 of us, so I don't know. So guys, this is the jerk chicken. So I'm going to turn it on the other side now. Guys, I'm coming back, okay? I'm teaching my 14-year-old son to cut vegetable. He's wanted to cook, do catering and hospitality in school. So say mom show me how to do stuff in the kitchen. So today, this is what he's doing today. So you see more the knife, I'm inserting finger. That's our time to do it, so he won't get cut. So this is got the onion. This is the onion. This is sweet pepper. That over there is garlic. And not because, ladies, not because you have boy. Don't put him in this. Don't say because a boy and now gonna put him in the kitchen. You need to put him in the kitchen as well. Sorry for the inconvenience of the knives because the dryer is on. As I'm saying, that's why I didn't want to do the video live. But not because you have boy, you don't want to put them in the kitchen. Put them in the kitchen so they learn for the stuff as well. And remember, they're growing up. And he's 14, he's 15 February coming. And I like the video in my face, so I'm going to put it on your hand. So this is it. And right here, I'm doing some veg. And the rice gone in the pot already. So yeah, that's simmer down. Our last prep of the jerk chicken. I put them this time if I put it by the top when I'm done. So yeah. So I get rid of the jerk chicken first, then I'm going to have to do. Yeah. I'm going to cut this out of the dryer. So guys, I have on the have a chicken. The chicken is done. This is the chicken. My ankle. So I cut them up. Oh yeah, you get one more thing. You know that space I was for the fridge, yeah? So when insurance come, we start up the fridge, then you couldn't fix the fridge. Which them end up give me a new fridge. So then send a selection of fridge for me me pick which one I want. Well, obviously, the fridge that we pick, let's come up on the wall and sit on the rock tree there. The fridge that we pick, it, too big for space. Too big for the space, man. We have to put on the kitchen. In the living room. I have a video. Darren! Darren! Pass the sauce in the fridge, man, please. The sauce can in the fridge. Sauce! So, I bought the room. In the living room, shower and kitchen. Can't move for the whole time. Let's put it on the dryer. You want to taste it?
Spicy.
I was not even watching the hurricane button. Put them in a dressing. And then I say that category 4, heading into category 5. God, mercy Jesus, mercy. You need them in the blender. Right, dry up. Try your tabby. Try chili ketchup. That mango ketchup. I'm not gonna use. Oh shit, in there. You know what happened, guys? Oh god. I ended up using sweet and sour all of them last week. Oh! What for that? I ended up using sweet and sour chili. I had 2 of them. And I ended up using it anyway. Oh. Fry up a bit. Oh my god. Oh, that's it. I'm managing to blend a little bit. Anyway, instead of mango ketchup, I'm trying to order the mango ketchup tonight. Ah. Don't forget that. I think from my mind, from weakness, I don't know what to do. Oh, dear. No more sauce and I put that curry. Oh, dear. The bin for empty when we are got church, yeah? The bin for empty when we are got church. Ketchup. Oh dear God. I don't want to forget that. Something for the other that air fryer, the metal something for you when I see that on your why? The metal thing is supposed to be down the bottom of the air fryer.
I guess it's on.
I'm closing this up. And I leave this in this dry down. Cook up a bit. Add more water to it. Put the ketchup at the bottom of the fridge now, please. Don't turn and dry it. I'm sure we water to the mouth. And this is cooked down. No, the rest of porridge. See if this is cooked down. Yeah?
Right.
See porridge? You can't make porridge. And it's really nice. The pork I cook down. When I wait the pork for the rest, I eat the chicken. So I put the pork down and add I forgot a word. Let's do something fun now. I come here with sauce now. Well, I use some of that sauce for the pork as well. Mango flavor in it, really nice. Rinse that pan. And then throw in the chicken. Should I use my sauce for the pork? No, my favorite sauce. So I can leave the pork and fry it up tomorrow. Cook that for tomorrow. Cook it up tomorrow. And then leave this at like 10 minutes. But I said it with the sweet and sour chili. Oh my god, it was so nice. Never done it before. And we jerk a jerk. But you have to use that hand to make fashion in the kitchen sometimes. That's for sure. Sometimes tired of Jamaica food. Like this is tired of Jamaica food. So leave this knife, marinate. Now turn on the stove. There's some piece supposed to cook. But I know as well. Turn the stove underneath this. Give it 10 minutes. And lock it up. Crispy, crispy. Put the pork on that side. Pork feel like it's cooking. All I know is spring water, so I'm going to use the same water and cook it down. That's for sure. Anyway, guys, I'm gonna go in the kitchen, in our bedroom. I'll look back on this time something. Pork smell. Strong.
This will have moved off into the water. But I'm also watching what's going to happen down the road. I'll expand that out, watching Bermuda as well. Now you can see here's the American model. This was the one showing it near Haiti. That didn't happen. This is showing this movie, a very similar scenario with all of the models. Now, I try to find some good news. We're better in our western section.
So I'm gonna sit and watch it for a bit.
But central and eastern.
Right, guys, this is I put it in the pot for simmer down. It's lamb, not pork, sorry. Yeah, so I use some of the same sauce. Oh wait, we spring the water from the oven and put it in it, so I cook it down now. Okay, I'm gonna share one of the food I'm gonna share. I'm already feed it, none of the kids already feed it, so I'm gonna share it out and just add that a little bit for sure, yeah. Right? Right. Come on, nice on the background, guys, my dry clothes. So this is the end result. So the veg there. And this is jasmine rice. Couldn't bother like make it go up in the air and you want a jasmine rice. So the other day I've been using jasmine rice. I'm trying to get brown rice as well because I need brown rice. I'm trying to go in healthy. Yeah. So this is it. So guys, my son is doing food catering at school, yeah. So I'm showing him how to present in food. So like I'm adding the rice and stuff, I'm showing him how to do this. You know? So I'm gonna use this cup as an example. So show him how to do it. So present the meat one side, the veg one side, and share. So I'm telling him, so like you see like when you see this right here, so this is supposed to do that, it's supposed to use like a napkin and wipe it out. So the gravy the on top of the meat, whatever. And that's how the thing go. Okay? You have to teach them.
The thing is that I don't know what I'm cooking because basically they like 4 years 11 they assign like something you have to make a specific food.
So if you cook a specific food and you cook meat also, you present it like this with the rice and so whatever you do, the presentation matter.
Oh, yeah.
Okay? Yeah? So even if food not tastes good to them, your presentation matter. So they mark you on your presentation. Okay? Because by cooking you get better. I mean, I want day I cook at school anyway. So although you have to do good still, but the presentation do matter. Yeah? Presentation how you dress or you cook. Yeah?
Dress.
Yeah, where you go dress with that?
Close
You have a white apron, so look if it can fit you when you're ready. Yeah? Okay. So guys, this is my doodoo. My last band, 14. Last out of 5. Shy, see? You're not really shy with not like the camera. So guys, now this is my end of my channel. I'm going to go into my room and tell the wash the dryer. So guys, this is the freezer that I took. This is a 2-drawer and a 2-door. And this is where you get the water from. And these are what I put up on it. On it. So yeah, so this is the fridge. Open it. Guys, can you put the water in the fridge? Thank you. And so that's the fridge that I had. So you have to be in the living room because I can't go into the kitchen. So guys, that's the end of my channel. Open out space now for upload. That's another thing again. It'll be even bad, and I know that I have not posted for about maybe 3 weeks now, and I'm really sorry. I'm frost because people them steal my phone and I can't get my 16 plus phone. So I have to call it a loss. I'm still have to pay the bill fee that attack me. But my apology. Please like up the channel and share the channel, guys. It's like I get frustrated too as well because you know you do something every minute and you're like you're dedicated to it and you do your best, but then it's like cause nobody now go up, it's like you're not getting a motivation. You know what about? Yes, so and then time about beat me as well because remember my work, guys, my work full time. I'm gonna sit down away on YouTube. I work full time. So when we get the little time for rest, me just have to rest. You understand me? I have to rest. Like yesterday I didn't go work. Me do I here. I'm gonna sleep and get up early this morning and cook so we do the video. You understand me? Normally on a Sunday I come in, cook the peas, go sleep. I come in when I come in from church at the night, I cook dinner for the kids them. I'm not gonna video that I cook in the night. Although I can still because that's the end of the day of my house, so that's my food. So and it's up to me to tell you what time I cook, which morning I gonna lie on that either. Come on, that's a petty lie. I'm not gonna do petty lie. But that is it. That's where it stopped. You understand me? But please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Tell a friend to tell a friend. And another bagger over here. Guys, I keep on saying, please pray for the young youth. So we're going to Jamaica. You see what's going on in Jamaica? And no, we are not blind. And where are the churches that need to pray for our country? Jamaica have more church than any other country. And these slackness are going to Jamaica. The other day I watched on YouTube where the father molests the daughter and take her life at the age of 14. Guys, please. The Jamaica that I know about, the Jamaica that I was raised in, I know of the elders go down on them knee city and cry out. That's what I grew up knowing. Cry out for them country, cry out for them community. Guys, gotta cover his nose. God is covering his nose of what is going on in our country. I'm sick and tired of hearing father molesting their own children. Like, what? Really? Guys, let's pray for the young kids. We done effort, batter out, beat out already. We live a life already. They are the next prime minister, they are the next king, they are the next queen, they are the next teacher, they are the next water commission person. They are the next everything, guys. They are the next prophet, they are the next pastor, they are the next deacon, they are the next armor bearer, they are the next usher. If we take their life now, what's gonna happen? Who gonna lead the country? Who gonna do this? Who gonna do that? Guys, come on, man. Come on. We don't have to be a mother to cry out for the young kids. Them, every mother belly pain supposed to be the same. We bring them for 9 months, some bring them for 7 months. We bring all by 5 for 9 anyway. No, couple days. But come on. It don't take one person to raise a child to take a village. Or a village. We are the love. We are the unity. We are the strength. You don't have to love me because you're not my mother. You don't have to love me because you're not my father. Love is supposed to become natural. And love is supposed to be an easy thing to do. Where is it? Where is it? Fathers, if you're going to molest a child and take a child's life, what do you like a stranger to do? Where is it? Guys, come on, man. Come on. Buckle up. Buckle up. Okay? Peace out. Have a blessed Sunday. Have a blessed week ahead of us. And be safe. Wherever you are. Be safe. God bless you.
Guys, not gonna like this candle here. I'm just going to relax in my room. Name Blackberry and Bay. When you buy them, they smell nice. And when they start burning, then they come like rubbish. Yes. Now I'm going to relax in my room. Until then put on the peas. This is some turmeric pill. And omega-3 fish oil. I'm going to take these, one of these every day. Yeah. Vitamin D, but I'm going to take it too much, so I'm kind of easy to fight a bit. Tomorrow is Monday, so tomorrow Putting some oil shower upon this. Farmer's oil, coconut oil. Throw upon it. So when you pull on everything, put it on the floor. Wash the glass and put a glass on top of this. On top of this, and then if you dry it, wash it, dry it, and then put all the stuff in it. It's now 9:22. You know, time I fly fast. I'm leaving out here like latest 4 o'clock for church. That is that. So when my pot done, I will show you because I don't got enough space. Okay, another that.
I'm trying to win, so I put this shit in full gear. I've been grinding for some time, so I can lose it. Try to hate on my ass, I switch lanes on